Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to make my two personal favorite mug cakes. Now in a previous video I've already shown you you all how to make a brownie mug cake, but on this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a peanut butter mug cake and a chocolate mug cake. Now two of my very personal favorite. Saying that, I've got another personal favorite, which is the red velvet mug cake. So I'm gonna have to show you that on a previous video, I can't talk today guys, in the next video. So keep a lookout for that one. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I make a chocolate and peanut butter mug cake, just keep on watching and I will see you all in my next one. And I don't know why I'm turning red. Yeah, alright guys, bye. Mwah.
Just a bit of warning guys, this recipe is dangerously easy, so just be careful. Now before you start making anything, you need to gather all your ingredients together, and for your ingredients you will need milk, cocoa powder, a bicarbonated soda, peanut butter, melted butter, flour and sugar. Now to get started, start by grabbing your favorite mug and then start making your mug cake. Now ideally you should start by mixing all your dry ingredients together, but knowing me, I went a bit off course and I'm starting with my wet ingredients. It doesn't really matter, wet or dry, it just turns out the same. So I put my butter, milk, flour, cocoa powder and a pinch of bicarbonated soda and my sugar together and mix it all in one mug. That's it guys, that's how easy it is. So mix it until it's well combined and then just pop it in a microwave for 60 seconds and that's it. You have your chocolate mug cake. Now for your peanut butter mug cake, the difference is the peanut butter. All the ingredients are the same apart from 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So do everything the same, but just add your 1 tablespoon of peanut butter in with the cake and put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. And you're done guys. That's how ridiculously easy it is. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment down below and subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye guys.